Hi you guys, welcome back to Classy Mom. I'm happy that you can join me today in making this video. And so, I don't know, I guess like this video is a little different than some of my other videos that I actually do. It's Friday. I just got off of work and the look that I am wearing is my look of the day at my job today. And so I decided to just have my eyebrows done, put on a little eyeshadow and some eyeliner and a little lip liner and some lipstick. And hey, it's Friday afternoon. I'm not kicking it and hanging out with no friends. I got on my phony pony, and this is my look, wearing my beautiful heart earrings and the navy blue top and a navy blue cardigan and some very nice like navy grayish capris and some really nice flats. And so today is just my Friday and I wanted to just shoot this video. As you can see, the title of it is called Fabfitfun Summer. I've been seeing a lot of people on YouTube making this video. There's summer box arriving and they showing the things in their Fabfitfun box, and so I wanted to do the same video. As you can see, so like everybody has showed you, this is what the box looked like when it arrived. It's really cute. It has Fabfitfun on it. It's very colorful with the pink, yellow, the greens, flowers, and then you open the box and then you find all of the other goodies in there. But before I open my box, I kind of wanted to talk about the reason why I decided that I wanted to get this box is because it supports the Global Good Gifts and Foundation of Girls in Action. And so I am all about helping a foundation when it comes down to helping women and then when it comes down to helping girls. And so I wanted to actually subscribe and get this box with them because of who is they're supporting it, and this is and that's important to me because like I said, I'm always about helping women and helping young girls and just giving back into like communities that deals with women, period. And so because they actually support this, I wanted to be get a part and be a part of this foundation that they're doing. So when you open the box actually kind of looks just like the inside, kind of looks just like the outside of it. It's just a little bit more pinkish, I guess you would say that, in in the box. And then the first thing that you do receive and get in this box is this magazine, which a lot of people probably already know about it, but the Fabfitfun magazine is the first thing that you get. And this is the summer one, and in this magazine, it's just basically you have Katie, who is like the co-founder of this, the co-founder of this Fabfitfun, that kind of talks about different things, and then it just talks about what's in the box. What's in the box? So you have a choice of all of these different items that's in the box, and so I'm ready to dive into this box. And if you guys are ready to dive into this box, let's dive into this box. As you can hear my dog in the background barking. So, but let's get ready to dive into this box, you guys. Okay, so the first item, before we get into this, they also have like little cards. It's family, friends, son, C and Fabfitfun. You deserve some summer fun is what it says. So you can give this card. They give you a card that you can actually give to a friend or whatever, and they can get it's like they can get $15 off their first box. And then they give you the Hello Fresh meal kit, $80 gift card that they give you. I'm not for sure how much these meals cost. I have never tried these meals, but to get $80 off of it is pretty good. So you get that. And then we get into the items that's in this box. And so I may have to open up my little magazine so I can kind of tell you guys what some of these items are worth. Okay, so the first thing that I got was the I guess this is called Sol Tenivia or Teneria Brazil for Play Moisturizing Shower Gel. So I got this. Was the first item that I got, and I believe that this is retail at $45. So this is retail at $45. And then I haven't even smelled this. I haven't even opened this. So hopefully I like the way this smells. And then the other thing that I got in my box was the Sol Tenera. I guess I'm saying that right. But it is the Brazil Bum Bum Cream. I got the Bum Bum Cream. It's really cute. I love the container. And this is actually retail at, what is this retail at? I actually gotta look forward in here. I can't find this in here. I know it's in here. Oh, I'm sorry. Both of these are retail at $45. So it's a set. So this set is retail at $45 for both of them. Okay, then the other thing that I received in my box, just trying to get to the page, was these cute little invisible original dual packs. So these are like little hair tie, invisible or booble or bobbly, invisible bobbly. These are like hair ties for your hair, something that I can use. And these are retail at $16. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 of them. You get clear, and then you got like some little tans. So you get about 6 of these in here. Okay, and then the other thing that I got is this. This is like a SPF FPS 30. It's called Cooler Makeup Setting Spray. Right here, and this retails at $36. I have not even smelled this stuff. Like I said, this is my first time opening this box and going through this box with you guys, and so I have not had a chance to actually kind of play around or look at this. But this is vegan, and it's water and sweat resistant. And it's crucial free. So this is pretty good, you guys. And this is what the bottle looks like. And I'm gonna spray some on my face. What does it smell like? It smells like, when you first spray it, it smells like alcohol. Believe it or not, it really does. But then it went on really light on the face. It was very light on my face. But it did smell like alcohol. Sorry, that's what it smelled like to me. Okay, and so the other item that I got in my box is called Grace and Stella Spray All Day. It is like a rose spray. And this actually retails for $25.95. It is an 8 ounce. Now, I am not into smells like florist smells, but let's just see what this is like. It is pink. It is called Rose. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. So let's see what it smells like, you guys. It smells just like rose water. That's exactly what it smells like, rose water. And seems like it has my face shiny. Now it's not as, how can I explain? It's more watery than the other spray that I use, but it smells like rose. It's like rose water, but it does smell pretty good. It feels refreshing, you guys. So this is retailed at $25.95. Okay, the next item that I got in my box is called the Generation Clay. It's a brightened purple clay mask right here. This is retailed at $39, and so it is a mask that you can put on your face and use on your face. It says that it's packed with Davidson plum, The purple mask work to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So this is a really nice thing to use on a Friday night when you get off of work. Okay, the next thing I got in my box, I'm gonna go with this one. It's the mystery item. So this is so cute. It has a sticker that's with a question mark and then it say mystery choice. So let's see what it is, you guys, that I got. So this is it's called Grown Alchemist hand cream. So this is Alchemist hand cream. This is what it looks like. It comes into like this little black tube. And this is retail at $24 or more, because you can get more than just the cream. It's just a mystery choice for all the items. It's about $24 plus. So that's my mystery choice. I'm down to my last 3 items, you guys. And so another item that I got in my box, which I think is so wonderful to use on a Friday night once you get off of work, because you stand up on your feet, you do a lot of walking. And at my job, I am an event coordinator for a university, a college. So I am always on my feet walking. I have a stand-up vertical desk that I can stand up and do my typing. And so my feet be tired. So the next item I got is called Wisp. It's exfoliating foot mask. It's made with coconut milk and verbena. It's a powerful, effective, natural. So this is, it soothes, it softens your feet, and it has intense hydration. Who don't need this? Who don't need this when they get off of work on a Friday night? I does. It's because it is an exfoliating foot mask. It exfoliates, it polishes, and it soothes and smooths your feet. And the retail price on this one is $32. I am going to make sure that I am using this, you guys. I need this in my life. I can't wait to use this on my feet. I wonder what it smells like. Let's see what it smells like. It's like, I can kind of smell the coconut in it. It is made with coconut milk. And I can kind of smell the coconut. I can't wait to use this. I cannot wait to use this, you guys. Okay, so now we got down to 2 items. And I'm going to go with this item right here. This is called Rose Gold Bright Facial Treatment Mask. And you get 5 of these. This is, now, who don't need something like this, like a mask on your face on a Friday night when you get off of work? I do. You can say you do, you can say you don't. I know I do. And these, you get 5 of these, you guys. You can put these, take you a nice hot bath with one of these on your face while you're in the bath. I so need this on a Friday night when I get off of work, to have a mask on my face. Oh my God. And guys, let me tell you something. This is worth $160. It's retail at $160. $160. This. So needed. So needed. Last but not least, on a Friday night, ladies, when you get off of work, what do you want to do? You want to come home. You want to take a nice bubble bath. Put on all these masks on your face. You want to just rejuvenate yourself, relax with what? Yep, you said it. A glass of wine. I love drinking my glass of Moscato wine on a Friday night. And what better way to drink it with feet? These ladies is called silicone wine glasses. What a pair. They give you 2. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. It comes in this cute little drawstring bag. So if you don't want to use a glass wine, you don't have to. You can just get in your tub and you can have these beautiful, look at these. These are 2 little silicone wine glasses. They are so cute. They're so freaking cute. And so let me show you guys what they look like. Look at these. These are so cute. They're so soft. You can use these. You don't have to worry about your wine glass falling over and breaking when you're in your tub taking a bath. They're silicone and they are so cute, and you can put your wine in this, and it's 2 of them that you guys that comes in your box. And so this actually retails at $25, both paired with the drawstring bag at $25. You guys, I can't wait to get done with this video so that I can go and have me a glass of wine in my tub with my little wine glasses. So there you have it. You saw all of these items that I got in my box from Fabfitfun, which retail at, this box is a subscription that I get each season. So this is my summer box. I also will get a fall box. I also will get a winter box, and I will get a spring box. But this is my summer box. And can you believe that this box with all of these items that you just saw, not to mention that this retail at $160. Don't forget that. I got all of these items for $49.99. That's it. $49.99, and I got so many items that I am so looking forward to be using on my Friday night or during the week or on the weekend, whenever I need them. Only paid $49.99 for all of this, you guys. So it is worth it. The box is worth it. I mean, the box ain't worth this. At least is worth alone 160 freaking bucks. Not to mention these cute little wine glasses. You guys, come on now. I am excited that I invested back into giving $49.99 a season box that I received, just for the fact that I am helping some lady or some girl out there that needs the help. So there you have it. You saw my little video about Fabfitfun. I'm excited. I'm gonna dig into this box. I'm about to get done so I can go have me a wine, my glass of wine, because it's about that time. But thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. And yeah, I'm about to hit it. So until next time, I will catch you into my next, wait a minute, let me say, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, don't forget to give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, come on you guys, subscribe. I know you're up on my page looking at my videos on my YouTube page and stuff, so subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so you'll know when I put up my next video, and share the video. That's all you gotta do, just share it. But until next time, thank you for joining Classy Mommy, and I will see you. Thank you for joining Classy Mom, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.